How do crypto news aggregators use APIS? Imagine trying to keep up with hundreds of crypto news sources all at once. It sounds overwhelming, right? That's where crypto news aggregators come in, and they use something called Application Programming Interfaces, or APIS, to do the heavy lifting. APIS are like digital bridges that connect different software systems. They let these systems talk to each other and share information smoothly. Crypto news aggregators relying on APIS to automatically gather news from many sources without needing someone to copy and paste articles all day. Many big news sites and crypto-specific outlets offer APIS that give access to their latest articles, headlines, timestamps, and other details in a format that computers can understand easily. When an aggregator wants to fetch news, it sends an API request, kind of like making a digital order. This request includes specific instructions, like which sources to check or what keywords to look for. Once the API receives the request, it responds with structured data, usually in formats called JSON or Excel. This data contains all the relevant news info, such as article titles, summaries, URL, and publication times. The aggregator then processes this raw data, pulling out the most important parts. It filters out irrelevant content and groups news by topics like Bitcoin, decentralized finance, or non-fungible tokens. Most aggregators use APIS to make their news feeds real-time or near real-time. They set up regular intervals to request updates, sometimes every few seconds or minutes. Some also use WebSocket connections, which keep an open line of communication for instant updates. This way, traders get the latest news as it happens, helping them make quick decisions. To access these APIS, aggregators usually register for an API key. This key acts like a digital badge that proves they are authorized to use the service. It also helps API providers manage how much data each user can request, preventing overload. Many API providers have different plans, from free options with limited requests to paid plans for more frequent access. After gathering the data, aggregators often add extra features like filtering news by keywords, source, or sentiment. Some even analyze the tone of the news to see if it's positive or negative, helping traders gauge market mood. All this information is then displayed on their platforms or integrated into trading tools and dashboards. Some aggregators combine API data with other methods like web scraping or RSS feeds to cover more sources. But APIS remains the most reliable way to get structured, up-to-date, and accurate news data. They make sure traders stay informed with the latest happenings, which can influence prices and market moves. In short, APIS are the backbone of crypto news aggregators. They allow these platforms to fetch, organize, and deliver news quickly and accurately. This helps traders stay ahead in the fast-moving world of cryptocurrency.